Expressway is finally on track. Man and machine both have been deployed at the site of the FNG Expressway in Noida to speed up construction of this 1,000 crore project. Conceptualized in the early 90s, the Faridabad stretch of the FNG Expressway was scrapped soon after. The Noida Authority, however, retained the FNG corridor in its master plans. And today, after 2 decades, in the backdrop of the tall residential towers that have mushroomed here, the FNG Expressway has been revived in a new avatar as the Ghaziabad-Noida Link Road. Stalled for the last 20 years, the Noida stretch of the FNG Expressway is now a top priority project for the Noida Authority. At various stretches like this one, work is on at a hectic pace to lay the road, and officials on ground estimate that the FNG Expressway will be completed over the next 9 months.
ये सेक्टर 118 में है यहाँ, और ये अर्थवर्क का एम्बैंकमेंट वर्क 90% हो चुका है, कंपैक्शन चल रही है, मशीनरी लगी हुई है, ये अप टू बिफोर मानसून करके दे देंगे इसको पूरा.
75 meters wide and 21 kilometers long, the route of the FNG Link Road will begin from Noida's Sector 63, which abuts the NH24, and finally end at Sector 168 along the Noida Greater Noida Expressway. But carving out the FNG Expressway is proving to be a tough challenge for the Noida Authority. In the last 20 years, the land on which the proposed route of the FNG Expressway falls has been eaten up by alleged land sharks. Despite all land in Noida being leasehold in nature, small-time builders have lured people to purchase plots. The Noida Authority's anti-encroachment cell is regularly carrying out demolition drives to clear illegal colonies that have sprouted on government land. The beginning section of the FNG, which starts at NH24, has been freshly tarred, but a few kilometers in, some patches of the land are yet to be acquired. And at the last end of the FNG in Sector 168, work is yet to kickstart owing to court stays on the land.
हमारे किसान लोग भी समझ रहे हैं कि इस हाईवे की शहर के लिए क्या उपयोगिता है, तो उसके संदर्भ में सभी लोग लगभग ज़मीन देने के लिए तैयार हैं. कुछ लोगों के जो घर बने हुए थे, आबादियां थी, उनके विस्थापन का कार्य भी प्राधिकरण ने शुरू कर दिया है, तो उससे अन्य किसानों का भी जो विरोध है वो लगभग कम हो रहा है.
The sudden gusto displayed by the Noida Authority to complete the FNG Expressway is perhaps driven by the multi-crore real estate business that has developed in these sectors of Noida. About 43 residential projects stand to benefit once the FNG Expressway becomes operational. That accounts for a supply of over 30,000 units, only 6,000 of which are still available in the market. The FNG corridor property market is trading at a weighted average price of over 5,000 rupees per square foot. And prices here have appreciated by a simple annual rate of 20% since 2010. Developers are betting on the FNG advantage for the property markets of Ghaziabad, Noida Extension and the Noida Expressway.
See, this FNG is one of the reasons, and the other reason is this is being connected with metro also. So the prices, definitely maybe some people are increasing the prices, but in our case we have kept our prices firm.
The timely completion of the FNG now depends on how deftly the Noida Authority deals with the compensation and rehabilitation of those who will lose their homes and their agricultural land. In Noida, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.